Today we're going to cook Belgium's national dish, Moules Frites, only on pizza.
Ah, Belgium, the land of amazing beer, killer waffles, Smurfs, and of course, the French fry. Yes, Belgium is the actual birthplace of the fry. That brings us to their national dish, Moules Frites. Succulent steamed mussels and a rich broth with a side of perfectly tender and crispy fries. A near perfect combo, but one question remains. Will it pizza? Let's find out. We're starting with our fries. First we need to peel 5 russet potatoes. Once you peel them, cut them into wide flats. Then cut these flats into 1/4-inch fries, kind of like this. Dunk all your cut fries into a cold water bath, swirl them around, and notice all of the starch that comes off. You want to remove as much starch as possible from the outside of the fry. This will help later when we go to crisp it up. Drain all of that starch off and rinse and repeat until the water stays relatively clear. Then fill your bowl one more time and place it in the fridge for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, drain your water and place all of the fries on a drying rack. Let dry for 15 to 30 minutes and then move to a paper towel and place back in the fridge until it's time to fry them. Now let's cut some shallots. These particular shallots absolutely wrecked me. Dice up some garlic, chop some parsley, and quarter a lemon. Alright, let's get these mussels prepped. Submerge all of your mussels in cold water to clean any of the dirt or broken shells from the outside. Examine each mussel and debeard as necessary. Also check that any open mussels close up. If they remain open, discard them, as they are probably dead. Drain the water and put your mussels back in the fridge until it's time to cook. Let's go ahead and fry the fries. The first step is to blanch the fries at a fry temperature of 300 to 325 degrees. I am using a blend of canola and olive oil, mostly because that's what I had around the house. Fry in small batches to avoid lowering the temperature of the oil too much and to keep the fries from sticking to each other. After 3 minutes, pull your fries out and place them on a wire rack while you blanch all of the fries. After you get all of the fries blanched, raise your oil temperature to 375 degrees and add your fries back in at small batches. This time fry until golden brown or about 3 minutes. Remove from oil and place on a paper towel. Alright, let's cook some mussels. In a deep saute pan, add a 1/4 stick of butter and cook until brown. Add a 1/2 cup of shallots and 2 cloves of garlic and saute until soft. Add a cup of white wine, bring back to a simmer, then add your mussels. Add a heavy splash of olive oil, stir, and then cover to steam for 2 to 3 minutes. Now pull all your mussel meat out of the shell, discard the shells, and place the mussel meat into the fridge. Bring the mussel cooking liquid back to a boil and add a 1/4 cup of whole grain mustard or brown mustard and a cup of heavy cream. Reduce for 5 minutes. We're ready to build the pizza. Stretch out your dough and place on a floured peel. Brush with olive oil. Add a 1/4 cup of shredded Asiago or hard provolone. Now we add our mussel meat. Cover with about 2/3 cup shredded mozzarella. Add about a 1/4 cup of the mussel cream sauce. Now we're going to cook this in the Roccbox until it's about 2/3 done. Remove it and then add a hearty portion of French fries, a few more mussels, and a little extra cheese to the top. And then finish cooking. Perfect. We're going to go ahead and add a little extra mussel cream sauce and some fresh chopped parsley. There you have it, Belgium's national dish, but on pizza.
Money. Come get in on this. See what you think. Everything about mussels and fries on a pizza. Meh. The mussels cooked a little too long in the pizza oven. Made them a little tough. And the fries are not as crispy as I'd like. Do it again, do shoestring fries. Crust is awesome. Alright, in terms of blending a national dish with pizza, Moules and Frites, I'm going to give it 6.5 out of 10. What are you giving it? From Rachel.
Probably say about 7.
Ooh, 7 out of 10.